Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2720th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Friday, March 15th, 2024. Traders, remember this, it's very risky. Never, ever trade without putting your stops in. Put them in first. And never, ever get into a position without protecting yourself. It can really beat you up if you get that wrong. You're looking at the Dow Jones Transportation Average Daily Bar Chart, deemed the leader from time to time of U.S. indices. It's not always the leader, but every now and then it takes charge, and this is one of those moments. And take a look at this chart. You've got this major trend line, right? And you can see it started back here. Resistance, resistance. Got a little above, boom, resistance, 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 and breaks down through the average, right? Which usually holds. Not good, obviously. So we're looking, and the OMNI is red for trading on Friday, so we're looking at selling rallies in U.S. indices. And there's one other chart I wanted to bring up quickly, and that is gold. Gold seems to be reacting to its double top up here. So be careful, right? We've already had a little bit of a reaction. You may get a little bit more out of it, some more downside for another day. If you are going to get short gold, hit and run. Take your profits and get out, because a lot of times after reacting to a double top, it ends up rallying back out of it. So take your profits if and when you get them, and that's trading gold. And that's what I wanted to show you for now. There's a lot more stuff we'll do at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you come to my website and join. It's absolutely free. No credit cards are required. Do me a favor and like and share these videos so other people know about them. And remember to keep yourself at bay when you're in a trading position. If it's against you especially, you need something to do, right? Put your stop in first, then say this to yourselves over and over again because it'll help. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Be safe out there on Friday.